For years, I got hammered by food, leading me to be 315 pounds and having numerous health issues at the age of only 22. One day, enough was enough, and I found the tools to help me fight back. And now I hammer food. I find the most tastiest bites and engage the most monstrous fights. I'm conquering fears and chugging beers, lifting weights and cleaning plates. I'm Heavy D, and these are my adventures. Happy Friday, Heavy D Nation. Welcome back to another adventure. Hope you all had a great week, crushed your goals, and now it's time to have some adventures. Today's adventure, we're going to be doing some slurps and burps with the Diet Coke because I am gearing up for a huge bowl of cereal, which you will see next week probably if I get the editing done. And so I like to drink some diet soda, try to hold on those burps, and I don't know, it usually helps me eat more. It's some voodoo witchcraft that I do, and yeah, so what kind of adventures do you all have planned? I'm going on a dune buggy chase tomorrow. Next week I got some buffets that I'm hitting up. I don't really take any videos of buffets. As we saw, casinos aren't too friendly, but man, do they have some great buffets out there. So, oof. Room temperature Diet Coke for the win. Ooh, that iced coffee, I can taste it coming back up. Whew. Well, that was today's installment of Burps and Slurps. I hope you enjoyed the classiest segment on all of YouTube. Stay tuned, and if this is your first time checking out the adventures of Heavy D, hammer that subscribe button. I'm a former fat kid who used to get hammered by food. Now I'm hammering food, showing you the tips, tools, and tricks that I use to keep the weight off and battle all these food beasts. So until our next adventure, have fun, stay strong, and more importantly, stay hungry.